Yesterday, I did go ahead and launch the Crypto Eagle VIP. That is my premium Discord, which is linked at the top of the description down below now. And I did say I was going to make a separate video just covering all of the details of that membership, what it offers, so you can decide for yourself if it is really worth the money. So if you're here for TA, that's not really what I'm going to be talking about today, but we did see some interesting stuff on the charts, especially outside of crypto. So I'll flip through the charts in the background so you can kind of see price action, as well as make sure to join the free Discord right at the top of the description down below to get today's TA and anything I see on the charts that looks noteworthy before tomorrow's video does come out. But before we do get into the Crypto Eagles, I actually have the Crypto Dragons, which is going to be the member section on my YouTube channel. That is only $5 a month, and you will just get access to the 24-hour Trading Light and ExoCharts live stream that is going on right now. So make sure, if you are interested in all of that, and for you to be able to get my live TA on the charts throughout the day, as well as potentially maybe just get a nice demo look at the software to decide for yourself if you do want to pay for it, because the charts I'm showing that are live are around $100 a month. So you're getting a very good deal at just $5 a month, but of course you're not going to have the software yourself. So I definitely do recommend you download ExoCharts or Trading Light if you do want to become a successful trader. They really are must-haves. You got to be able to read the order flow, at least one of the softwares. You don't need both like me. But yeah, just letting you know that is the live right now. You can click the join button and you will get access to that 24/7 exclusive live stream of my paid trading software. But without further ado, first things first, what I'm going to do is play this promo for you guys, and then stick around after that ends and I will get into more of the specifics of what you're going to find in the Crypto Eagle VIP section of the Discord. Alright guys, so I've been working on something that I think can provide a lot of value. This is not your normal Signals Group BS. No, I am here to offer you the tools necessary for you to trade on your own. At just $19.99 a month, you are going to get access to professional tools and strategies I use myself to take profitable trades. So if you are dead set on becoming a day trader, look no further. There is certainly a lot of free content and you don't have to buy this. But I guarantee you, if you're just starting out, you're going to save a lot of time and effort, and the only problem you're going to have is that you didn't sign up sooner. Hopefully you all enjoyed that promotional video. Tried to make it fun for you guys, but now let's get into the specifics of what you can actually find within this course, starting off with the leverage trading setup requirements. This is a PDF that goes over very concisely what I use to identify if a trade is valid or not for me to take, such as identifying the level, then identifying the proper edge to go along with that strategy, while giving details on what to be looking for in order flow, etc., for that trade to be valid and for the probabilities to be in your favor. This is just version 1, but it is fully completed, so you'll have that as soon as you do sign up. You will also have access to the Ultimate Leverage Trading Guide. I plan to have over 100 pages in this guide, and it goes over everything from the beginning stages of learning how to deal with your psychology and emotions when trading, how to get that trading mindset, to once again going over everything you can use to identify your levels of interest, as well as an edge. You can see that each of these right here are different pages in this guide, so you can go ahead and click on anything in this table of contents and go ahead and view it. Once again, this is an early access build. This is not fully complete yet. As you can see by this next page, this is a continuation of identifying your edge. This is not completed, and actually most of these slides within here are pretty blank. They're just kind of titles for pages that I will soon be completing, but they don't have the content quite yet, and that is why it's just $20 for the first 3 months. After that 3 months, most of this stuff should be complete, and that's why it will go up to $40 a month after that. That wasn't all in the table of contents though. Continues into entry, stop loss, and take profit. Everything you need to know about that, ways to really dial in the probabilities into your favor, as well as we've got a couple pages in here for journaling and notebooking, tracking your P&L, that sort of thing. This is a big part of trading that I think a lot of people miss out on. And then finally, this last page is going to be going over other indicators and tools that you might see people using on YouTube. This is not necessarily stuff that I use within my strategies, but I did want to give my opinions on it since this is going to be a comprehensive guide. I want to go over everything, as well as I'll have traditional finance here at the end as well, such as the S&P, gammas, gexes, the Greeks and TradFi, as well as the correlations between Bitcoin and those assets, the dollar, that sort of thing, just so you can get a kind of an idea of what you can expect content-wise when going through this guide. I'm going to go ahead and show you the first slide here, which is trading psychology, right? You can read any of this stuff within here. This is some of the most important stuff before you take a single trade. You need to understand this and take it very seriously. And I'll give you one more page as an example of what you can kind of expect the content to look like in this trading guide, such as the Fibonacci levels on a liquidity sweep. I think this is a really good page within here, giving very specifics onto each fib level, right? What they can be used for, as well as a link to another page in here that gives very specific details on entry and stop loss ideas. This is stuff I use myself to enter positions. But once again, this guide is in early access. Do not sign up expecting 100 pages of full content. You're getting something that's still being built, and that's why it's at a discounted rate. But there is already a lot of good content within this guide, so that's something you can expect to see. Also, I'm doing something that I haven't really seen out there anywhere on the internet, which is going to be finding the probabilities of each of the different confluences I use to take trades, such as RSI divergences, CVD divergences, swing failure patterns, failed auctions, finished auctions, divergences between CoinM and USDTM pairs, just a ton of different confluence trackers. Once again, still in the very early stages of this, but this is what I'm working on right now, so you can expect more confluence trackers to come out very, very soon. So those are all of the different PDFs you can get, a lot of good material in them to help you out with trading, but that is really not even half of what I'm offering with this premium membership. I wanted to add as much value as possible, and that is why I'm doing multiple other things, such as a 24/7 live stream of Trading Light and Exo charts that is running right now. And I actually marked out some levels yesterday in that 24-hour live stream that got respected very nicely. The swing failure of 59,450, as well as a CVD bullish divergence we had over on Bitcoin USD on Exo charts. So that's what's playing on the screen right now. You can see that CVD div playing out perfectly, as well as the swing failure pattern did get respected. We got a sweep structure above that. So that could have been a short entry there, but you got to know what you're doing, right? I'm not telling you when to trade as part of this VIP Discord. There will be no copy trading within here. If I do find out you are copy trading, I'm just going to go ahead and refund you the money and kick you out, because that's not what it's for. You will not learn by copy trading or just doing exactly what I tell you. You need to learn this stuff yourself, and the Discord is there to help you learn. And as part of that learning, I can help you directly. So every time someone signs up, they get sent a welcome message asking for a time we can set up a one-on-one call to go over trading strategies, aspirations for whoever's signing up, so we can make sure we're all on the right track. And at any time, if you do want to have conversations with me, hop in the voice call. We can go ahead and do that with screen sharing and go over anything you're talking about in real time. You will have my full attention being in this Discord. Not only that, but we will have a group meeting every single week with all of the crypto eagles to discuss what we're seeing on the charts, learn from our mistakes, and plan for the next week. So I think that will be a really awesome part of the Discord. And to go along with planning, I will be posting potential trade setups. Once again, this is not for copy trading. I'll be given multiple levels and confluences I would be looking for at those levels, to where if they were to play out, then you could potentially take a trade. But you'll have to learn all of those confluences first. I'm not just going to tell you to buy or sell. Once again, not a copy trading Discord whatsoever. There's also some other neat stuff I'll be giving away in there, such as when I rotate my spot positions. So when I think the bull market stopped and I start selling my crypto, you will know. I'll put it in there. Again, not for copy trading. You should not be selling just because I'm selling, but I will be posting that in there when I do so and give my reasonings for it, just so you can get that information. Also, whenever I go live here on YouTube, which I will start doing more, I will always be in the stream VC on Discord. So if you ever want to join my stream share on YouTube, I will be live in that premium Discord. You can jump in the call, talk with me live on air on my YouTube channel. So I think that will be a lot of fun as well. But yeah, I think that about wraps it up. Once again, make sure if you are going to sign up for this, you use code EARLY for 50% off for your first 3 months. And the links to everything are down below. When you click that link, you will also be given more information, bullet points on what you can expect to see within the Discord. So definitely read through all of that as well. But if you do have any questions about anything I talked about here, link to my free Discord is in the description down below as well. So make sure to go check that out. And with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.